Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grab our data, which is this one here. This is all the female data, and just click sort and filter, and we're going to sort it from smallest to largest. Actually, I'm just going to pull. That's only sorting the left row, which is already sorted. Let's just sort this one. Now, I want to continue with current selection. Otherwise, what it will do is line up the 1 to 18 with whatever number it was with, and I don't really care. So make sure you click that button. Let's do the same here. Drag all of this data here on the side and click sort, smallest to largest, and then remember to click continue with current selection and sort. Now I've got it in smallest to largest. We can see our smallest foot is 21 for females and smallest is 22 for males, so not a big difference. And then we have got largest 26 and largest 29, a bit of a difference, which is going to be good for our data when we get around to doing it. Okay, and that's how you sort your data.